Hey friends, it's Chris. Thanks for tuning in. Is anyone out there as excited as I am that winter's around the corner? Today I'm going to be making a cozy little penguin friend with some of my favorite beautiful colors from Glam and Glitz. So today I'm going to be using Frost from the Diamond collection, Night Sky from the ColourPop collection, Charo from the Acrylic Color collection, and last but not least, Janet from the Color Acrylic collection. Alright guys, let's get started and have some fun. Okay, so let's get started on this little guy. So the first color I'm going to be using is Frost. I'm going to take a small bead and I'm going to build up his body and his face. And this is going to be one side of his face. I'm going to pick up another bead and I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. So now I'm going to grab a larger bead and I'm just going to add some foundation to the nail. Okay, now I'm going to go in with Night Sky from the ColourPop collection and I'm going to fill in the remaining space. And now the reason why I'm putting Night Sky more towards the cuticle line is this is going to be the top of our little penguin's head. And it's okay if you go over the white, because once we drill everything down you're going to get that line that we made with the white. Okay, now before I file this I want it to dry completely, so I'm going to go ahead and let this sit for a few minutes. So now that this is dry, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to file over the top until I see the line from the white that I want. So now I'm going to go in with Charo from the Color Acrylic collection and I'm going to pick up a very tiny bead and we're going to go in and make his beak. So now we're going to give this guy a really cute little scarf, and for that I'm going to be using Janet from the Color Acrylic collection. So I'm going to pick up a bead and I'm going to slowly maneuver it across his little body, and then I'm going to go in with my clean brush and I'm going to refine the shape. So I'm going to pick up a bead and I'm going to do the little tassels that hang off of his scarf. For this next step, I'm going to be using gel polish, black and white, and we're going to be making his eyes. Now we're going to go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with white, and I'm going to make the little highlights in his eye. So now I'm going to go in with my favorite top coat, and it's Kiara Sky non-wipe top coat, and I'm going to cover the entire nail. Alright guys, I hope you had fun with this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you all stay warm and cozy out there and have happy holidays. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to watch more tutorials. You can click the boxes to watch the next video or click the info card button at the top right corner of the screen. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.